Hey guys, Pandi here, back with another episode. Happy March Motivation. We are back for another episode, guys, of some positivity. And with that being said, tonight's topic is going to be all about time management. In fact, we're going to call this video Time Taming. Master your day with these simple hacks. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I am your host, Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. And this is the March Motivation Self-Care Reset Series. So in these videos, and shout out to friends with super channels, if you are catching this video live, then you are probably already in the audience of the friends with super channels or a super pal in the live chat watching the video. So thank you so much for being here. If you enjoy the positive vibes, definitely blow dry on that like button, double tap that notification bell, and subscribe for more content. It is free 99 after all. Doesn't cost you anything to do so. So in tonight's video, with that being said, we are talking about time management. Now, if those of you who've been with me for any number of time, any length of time, you all know the struggle is real with your girl when it comes down to time management, but I am a work in progress. And as I'm growing, I am sharing the information, sharing tools, sharing hacks that I find to be beneficial and helpful to me with the hopes that they may be helpful to you. So without further ado, let's jump right into the context. So I am just coming in from work as usual, story of my life, child. And I am getting ready to unwind and relax, but I would be remiss if I did not keep the consistency flowing with these self-improvement, personal development videos. I hope that you all are enjoying them as much as I am. And again, let's get into tonight's topic. So right now, if you're like me, at times you find yourself feeling a bit overwhelmed by your to-do list. So what I wanted to do was kind of find little small DIY ways that we could kind of transform our chaos into calm. So I was trying to think of some savvy yet simple time management techniques that we could come up with to kind of help us create more time and space, more productivity with our time and space. So again, welcome. Thank you for being here. We're going to dive into a few different techniques, guys, okay? There's one that I recently found out about, and if I'm pronouncing this wrong, let me know in the comments, but it's called the Pomodoro technique. And then there's also time blocking. Both of these techniques are designed to help you supercharge your productivity. So please don't forget to subscribe for more lifestyle tips and tricks. Again, we're talking time management, productivity hacks, and self-care. Happy March Motivation. So welcome back to Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. This is something that I feel like we all need a little help with, right? Time management, but we're going to work it out together. And if you're like me and you're juggling beauty routines, work, personal time, all of that can be a bit of a circus. But fear not, because I believe I found some fantastic tips, okay, which I'm going to be sharing with y'all on tonight. So with that being said, I told you all I came up with, well, I didn't come up with, but I found this technique called the Pomodoro technique. Now, in the Pomodoro technique, this method is all about working in short, focused bursts with breaks in between. So it's perfect for those of us who get easily distracted. Okay? So what you want to do is you imagine setting a timer for 25 minutes. You can do this on your phone, on your laptop, or if you have a timer. But you would set it for 25 minutes and you focus on one task that you know you need to knock out, you know you need to get done. Okay? And then it's like you reward yourself with a 5-minute break in between. So it's almost like you're playing a productivity game with yourself. That was one method. So maybe I'll try that and let you all know what my thoughts were on it. Yeah, I recently just discovered this one. I had literally never heard of that one before, and I don't know if that's going to be enough time for me, but I'm willing to give it a try. And if you tried it, definitely let me know. Next, you want to talk about time blocking. And I think this one is a little bit more traditional. The problem is if you're not going to consistently be accountable to stick to the time that you block off. But in time blocking, this is where you typically schedule your day in blocks of time and you dedicate those blocks of time to specific activities. Now, I feel like if you are a self-employed entrepreneur, this is very easy to dedicate and commit to. However, if you are in the workforce still, this can be a bit challenging. However, I'm up for the task because I feel like when I find that right lane that I can just get into and know this is when I'm going to work, this is when I'm going to batch record, this is when I'm going to schedule content to upload, and then this is when I work out, this is when I have time with family, things will be all the more better for me. I need that kind of structure, but someone else may not need as much structure. But again, I digress. Let's talk about the time blocking though, because it's like creating a roadmap for your day, basically. You plan your day from your morning routines to your evening wind downs, and you can use both digital tools or good old-fashioned planners, which is me all day. I'm a pen and paper kind of person. And then lastly, my last tip for you all, um, planning in advance. Planning in advance. This is the magic, okay? When we set aside a few minutes each evening to kind of plan our day out or even our week, but again, we want to take baby steps. When we do this, we reduce stress and we also increase our efficiency. Okay. So I hope that by sharing these personal help, self-help, personal development, improvement, time management tips with you all, that they really help you to be able to prioritize your tasks in your day just a little bit more smoother and with more ease and grace. Again, I want to thank you all for tuning in. I hope these tips help you again take control over your time and make the most out of each day. I'm Pandi. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you did not remember to blow dry on the like button for me on your way coming in, please don't forget to do that for me on your way heading out. Until next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.